Hi guys, it's Mills here and I am doing a video to show you guys my new products. So first of all, we have the Hip Reset Moisturizing Mask Pearls. I'm very excited about showing you guys this. When I first kind of discovered this new innovative product, I never thought that it would be what it was. I mean, I was completely shocked at the formula and the idea, and I didn't think it would work until, obviously my Florence team came to me and said this could be a new sleeping mask. So I'm obsessed with it, love it, and now we're actually finally coming to an end of actually selling it. So I'm really excited, and I'm excited for you guys to see what we have. So we open, first of all, look at this packaging. Let's just take a moment. I mean, the polka dots, I can't. And actually, it's exactly what they look like. So, as we open, you're going to twist the arrows so that they're facing each other, and then that will help open the cap. Once you open, you can pour 2 into your hand. So I just pop 2 in there, place it down, and then what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze the pearls in between your fingers to crush them, which is personally my favorite part. Very satisfying. Okay, so I've just crushed it in my hands, and now I'm gonna put it onto my skin. It feels so hydrating and moisturizing, and I personally do this before I go to bed just because I feel like I need that extra moisture after, especially winter now. My skin gets so dry, so this is everything. The lavender smell is the best, and it just feels good for you. Everybody comments about the smell, and I'm obsessed with it. And I honestly will just sleep with this and wake up and wash my face like normal, but you will notice the moisturizing, the difference is insane. I mean, you really genuinely feel the moisture and your skin feels a lot smoother. I genuinely feel like this is probably one of my favorite products we've ever made. I've been using this. You can use it 3 to 4 times a week, and I've been using this week, and honestly it feels better than just putting a moisturizer on in the morning. You feel like you're getting that deep moisture and hydration at night, which I think is awesome. Okay, so I've evenly distributed it on my face and I feel amazing. I feel so moisturized, and now I'm on to showing you my second new product. Wow, just fell from the sky. Okay, so this is called the Hit Snooze Lip Mask. I'm obsessed with this right now just because winter time, my lips are parched, and this jelly formula is everything to me. So we have the quote, inspire and influence no matter what. And as we open, we see that this formula is like a jelly. I honestly just take a little bit because a little bit does go a long way, and apply. I also do it over my lips, which everyone gets annoyed about because they think I've done it wrong, but I just like to make sure that my lips are getting the hydration and moisture they are gasping for. I use this before I go to bed, but you can use it in the middle of the day, just for a boost of hydration. And I also, my lips right now during winter, they are parched, so it seals in the moisture once you apply. And I love this formula, I love it. I am so in love with this lip mask, and I'm also really proud of our 2 new products, and I can't wait for you guys to be trying them and letting me know how you feel about them. But as of right now, this is my favorite product. Just big statement, I know. I'd like an edited round of applause, Okay, so these are my 2 new products. I'm obsessed. I hope you got all the information you needed, and if not, just comment down below and ask questions. We'll be answering back. I'm obsessed with these Hip Reset Moisturizing Mask Pearls. Take pictures, take videos, hashtag Florence by Mills, tag us so we can see. Also, this lip mask, it's everything. I hope you enjoy. I love you guys, and lots of love.